Hi yogis, hi beautiful teachers. Today we are going to talk about another very common challenge that you're going to face. So tell me, how many students are coming with your classes without any problem? For example, physical problem is not happening. Almost everybody will come to your class because they have some issues with their body. Most of the people, they have big problems on the neck area, on the shoulders, on the knees. A lot of people get injured and a lot of people face trauma or operation. So what is our challenge as a yoga teacher in these modern times? And I'm talking by my experience. 10 years ago, 15 years ago, it was different. Nowadays, everybody, almost 80% of my students, they come into my school with problems, physical problems. So they are not ready to practice yoga without support, without props. My suggestion for you, because this is what is happening in this modern time, is be ready and learn some different kind of yoga. Learn how to use props. For example, you can consider Yin Yoga, you can consider Restorative Yoga, and all these courses, they can be found in Arhanta Yoga Online Academy, and they can help you to adjust the practice to your students. For example, if you have students that they are experiencing a lot of stress and fatigue in their life, restorative yoga can be a very, very good solution. And you will learn how to use support and how to help students to stay in the asana longer because they can use support. Or for example, Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga is teaching you, again, how to use the support system to stay in the pose for longer time, but with activation. So don't confuse the both practice, don't confuse them. Remember that there are two different practices. So this is my suggestion to you. In conclusion, consider the idea of learning how to use support. Consider the idea to learn restorative yoga, yin yoga, any kind of yoga which is going to use props to help the students to have a very safe and relaxing practice. This is my suggestion for you today. If you have any question, just drop it below this video and I will be happy to answer you in the next one.